Is it time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? In this video, we will explore the SPY ETF in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 13th of August, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any vital updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies globally today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 7th of August, 2024, our system has ranked SPY as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.33. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has shown natural fluctuations, resulting in a gain of 4.51%. This equates to an average return of 0.90% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a modest upward trend in the short term, and indicators suggest that this trend may continue to rise. Over the next 3 months, the current trend indicates a potential change of approximately 2.49%, with expected returns ranging from negative 1.92% to positive 7.64%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of around 31% over the next year, with potential returns varying from 25.23% to 39.13%. This could result in a price range between $678.80 and $754.12 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SPY includes the headline, SPY ETF price ended at $542.04 on Tuesday after gaining 1.64%. The SPY ETF price gained 1.64% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 13th of August, 2024, rising from $533.27 to $542.04. It has now gained for 4 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 1.12%, with a low of $536.28 and a high of $542.28. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 0.01% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 12 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 51 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $27.60 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $565.15, while the lowest price was $409.21. Currently, the price is 4.09%, or $23.11, below the 52-week high of $565.15, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. In the realm of exchange-traded funds, active exchange-traded funds are capturing significant attention, particularly after the regulatory changes that emerged in 2019. This transformation presents potential opportunities for SPY, given its robust historical performance and the current market dynamics. As investors increasingly gravitate towards these investment vehicles, SPY may experience heightened interest, which could drive its price upward in the short term. At the same time, market observers have noted recent volatility in the S&P 500, marked by one of the worst daily performances since 2022, followed by a rebound shortly thereafter. Such price movements can instill uncertainty, prompting some investors to decrease their risk exposure by favoring index exchange-traded funds like SPY, which may help stabilize its price as buying interest rises. Economic indicators present a mixed picture as well. A recent correction has led many to adopt a cautious stance, suggesting that while SPY's long-term prospects remain strong, short-term fluctuations could result in price instability. Moreover, the rebound in U.S. stocks, fueled by a decrease in jobless claims, indicates positive momentum, which could further bolster SPY's price in the upcoming weeks. Overall, as investors navigate both short-term volatility and long-term growth prospects, SPY emerges as a potential focal point amid shifting market trends and economic indicators, attracting both cautious and optimistic capital flows. The following signals have been identified for SPY. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 5th of August, 2024, and so far it has risen approximately 4.77%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, and these may influence short-term developments. The SPY exchange-traded fund holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Simultaneously, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates a general sell signal for the exchange-traded fund, suggesting a more negative outlook for the stock. If further gains occur, the exchange-traded fund will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $545.63. Conversely, if there is a decline, the exchange-traded fund will find support from the short-term average at $528.12. A breakout above the long-term average will produce another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will generate an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall trend. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, a sell signal. Pivots, a buy signal occurred 7 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal was noted 5 days ago. The short-term moving average, a buy signal was indicated 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, a buy signal emerged 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, a buy signal was identified 14 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average, a buy signal was recorded 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, a buy signal was detected 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, a buy signal was signaled 179 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. SPY finds support from accumulated volume at $532.90. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund typically trades at a substantial volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is deemed low. Over the past day, the ETF experienced a movement of $6, which represents a change of 1.12% between its highest and lowest points. In the last week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 1.51%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $543.01. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $532.90. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $509.52, reflecting a decrease of 6%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits low daily fluctuations, which indicates a lower risk profile. Additionally, we observe a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom identified 20 days ago. Is the SPY ETF a good investment? The SPY ETF shows several positive indicators. However, these are not sufficient to classify it as a strong buy at this time. Currently, it is more appropriate to regard it as a hold or accumulate position while we wait for further developments. After assessing the volatility and market movements from the previous trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to trading on Wednesday, the 14th of August, we anticipate that the SPY ETF will open lower by $1.84, starting at $540.20. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment choices solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current view of the stock market. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.